Alright, here's my CW voltage multiplier. Start with a remote control. I don't like to be near it too much. And then ZVS, 21 volts. Got the AC flyback. Got this one off of eBay. Guy here in the United States makes this, so it's a pretty good deal. Works real well. Bipolar voltage multiplier. Got the 20K caps and diodes. I'm only using it at about 21 volts right now, but it's a 7.5-inch arc. Turn the lights off, you get a better look at it here. And there we go, let's turn around here. All right, hold on to my eardrums. All right, well, that was exciting and loud. Anyway, enjoy.